But yeah, if you're interested to see how I do my beats, why do people always call me when I'm about to record? I'm recording.
Well, I just got done recording too, nigga. I'm famous now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. If this is your first time, welcome. Soyez les bienvenus. Si c'est ton première fois dans ma page ou bien channel, si c'est ton première fois, merci pour être ici. Mon nom c'est Elizabeth. Today's video, I'm going to do a makeup look. Okay, je vais essayer quelque chose de différent aujourd'hui. Je vais faire le maquillage. I mean, it's not different, but it's something outside of hair. Sometimes I get tired of doing hair, so I figure let's beat our face since we're doing something today. Let's beat our face. So recently I went to Ulta. Lord have mercy. I spent, okay, I have the receipt right here. Some people like to have receipts. They like to see receipts. So I spent over $131.29. Dieu est bon. Mais, moutou nanga na ebite son que zaki ça la bien ou bien te. Mais I spent a lot of money on makeup. I remember when I first started makeup back in high school. Every time my parents would give me money, j'étais un chômeur back then, okay? I used to lean on my parents. I still do every once in a while because they're my parents. I'm not afraid to say that. But they used to give me money to spend back in like when I was a freshman. And all I would spend money on was hair and makeup. Souvent, quand me donnait l'argent, je vais seulement dépenser mon argent, souvent avec les cheveux ou bien le maquillage. And they used to always tell me, don't spend this money on makeup, buy clothes. What I would do, I would spend money on makeup. C'était seulement comme ça. Je sais pas. Now I'm looking at my receipt and I'm like, $131.29. At Ulta. The stuff that I bought was actually from Makeup Revolution company. I bought some everything Makeup Revolution, okay? Everything Makeup Revolution. J'ai acheté tout makeup, maquillage de Makeup Revolution London, okay? It's a company in London, of course, it says London. And I was watching this girl on YouTube do her makeup, and she used the Makeup Revolution. I said, girl, where have I been? Where have I been? I need to go to Ulta and invest in myself and buy some Makeup Revolution. So I got the, what is this, the Color Correct. J'ai acheté le Color Correct base. J'ai acheté le matte lip kit. This is the color Bow Down. Bow down, bow down, bow down. Yeah, I bought this, and then I bought their rose gold Ulta Professional Blush Palette. But for the Makeup Revolution, I got their luxury baking powder, poudre c'est de Luxe. I don't know if I read that right in French, but I got this at Makeup Revolution section, and then I got their other metallic lip kit, and this is the color Destiny. On a les Destiny dans la vie, okay? And then I got their bronzer, and it's the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and it looks like this. It's called Rock on the World, Rock on the World. And then I got their Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. I don't know about the oil control part, but we're gonna try it out, okay? And I got their Makeup Revolution Concealer Define Full Coverage Contour. Yeah, in contour. Well, I got two in different colors. I got the highlight one I got in the color C13. Pour celui-ci que je vais mettre en bas de mes yeux, j'ai utilisé ce C13. c'est 13. Okay, c'est 13. And I got the c'est 15. C'est 15. C15. Can you believe I'm actually saying the alphabets in French just to make sure I'm right? I do that a lot in English too. So in total overall, I got a whole bunch of stuff for $131.29, which is not bad, but it is bad at the same time because tu es qui? Hein? Tu es malade? Si tu utilises ça, tu vas partir au ciel. Ça c'est tout. Tu es malade. Tout ça bien te soki au pays na place à beauté. Au sombi biloko à $100. Tu es malade. But it's okay. I realized that I didn't get a foundation. Didn't have the foundation in store. So we're going to use our Bobbi Brown foundation. We ain't cheap, so we're going to use our $50 foundation and beat it on our face, okay? So with the eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution C13. Avec les cheveux de poil, je vais utiliser Makeup Revolution C13. C13. I keep forgetting the letter in French. C13. Je vais utiliser ça pour les cheveux de poil. Hein? Les cheveux de poil. That's what I call them. Les cheveux de poil. So, yeah. But it looks like this is really nice. I really like how it looks like the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I've never tried it, but I know it's canceled because they did a little overboard with the skin tone problem. And they had the nerve to put the Tarte thing in front of the what do you call it? The door at Ulta. I say y'all are tripping. Now that we got the eyebrows, the cheveux de poil done over with, it's stylé, it's under the Nike check, okay? Check money. I'm gonna do the Makeup Revolution. Oh gosh, y'all can see that reflection. Y'all see the back, the behind the scenes. But I'm gonna do the Makeup Revolution Ultra Base Color Corrector palette. Je vais utiliser le Makeup Revolution Ultra Base Color Correct. Ça va aider avec les boutons. C'est que j'ai les couleurs. Si pour son aïe sur les a différentes couleurs, ça va aider avec ça. I'm gonna use the color, the natural color, which is the yellow undertone. I like that better than anything else. If anybody tell me this is too much, it's not your face. C'est pas ta figure. Hush. So underneath the eyes, I'm going to go in with their pinkish type of color. En bas des yeux. How do you say it in French? Oh mon Dieu. I'm gonna go in with the red undertone. It's kind of like pink though. It's not red. So yeah. So I realized that my camera cut off when I was showing you guys my foundation. Like I said before, I ain't cheap. I was using Bobbi Brown. Okay. With this, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. It was a little bit red, so I went back after this video. I went and bought the lighter tone to this concealer. I bought the C12 instead of C13. J'ai rentré au magasin le bout dala na zongaki na kei na yebsi bango zaki rouge ba pesinga mususu. Okay, they gave me another one. So this video I'm using the C13. Cette vidéo je suis en train d'utiliser des C13, mais j'ai acheté les C12. Huh. And now I'm gonna go in with my C15, I believe, and just look at the comparison. If you look at the two, you just know. C15 is a lot brown. I like it to look chocolate compared to C14 when I was swatching it at the store. J'aime ça parce que ça c'est un peu chocolat. Is that no, listen, I don't want to know what to say anymore in Lingala. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I bought a new one. Hey, look at the snatch. You see the difference? This is why I love contouring. I love contouring. So with the Sasha Buttercup, I noticed that the translucent powder or the baking powder for Makeup Revolution, that one was a little bit too orange. So I had to go back in with my Sasha Buttercup. C'était un peu rouge. celui de Makeup Revolution. C'est pour cela que j'ai utilisé mon Sacha Buttercup poudre de crème. Let me be serious. I like to let my concealer sit before doing anything. When I'm doing a makeup routine for my summer, I let my concealer sit. But with the baking with this, I realized, oh my gosh, you cannot let this thing bake. Do not let it bake, okay? Just once you put it on, wipe it off. Faut pas laisser ça rester émulaté, ok? Si tu prends ça, fais ça, just wipe it off, okay? Alright, so with that, I'm going to use my... Girl, I try to do them YouTuber stuff where they be doing too much. Just put the palette on, please. So I'm going to use that right there. Oh, yeah, I did use my setting spray to calm down the powdery look before I moved on. I usually don't do that, but this time around I decided to do that. So, yeah. With the eyes, avec les yeux, everything that I used with the eyes, I'm going to name below. I have to, like... go back in and like look at the actual color, but just know, girl, yeah, it was beautiful. It was really, really beautiful. Avec les yeux, tout ce que j'ai utilisé, je vais écrire dans les description en bas. Regarde ça. My French teacher will be happy if she watched my tutorials. I'm over here speaking some wee type of thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with... I actually wasn't supposed to do this color, but for some reason the chocolate, we got the golden ticket palette, had me on some other bull. So I somehow, I don't know how I ended up doing pink. It was supposed to be a natural look, but pink so happened to be on my eyes. So I used the pink. I forgot the name of it. I don't have it with me. It's somewhere in my room. I'm not in my room. But I'm going to go in with this one and just add on to like the corner, you know. Just make it pop a lot more. J'ai oublié le nom pour tout ce que j'ai utilisé. C'est dans ma chambre. But I'm going to go in with that little nice, it's kind of like sparkly, glittery type of eyeshadow-ish. I'm going to try to tell you guys everything that I use down below. But yeah, I'm just going to put that in my eye. Something about this palette that I've noticed is very, very pigmented. Guys, it's very, very pigmented. Now let me speak it in Lingala for my Lingala people. Okay, cette palette, beauté de couleur, c'est ça bien, hein? C'est type parti, type acheter ça. Au coquille au saut mango, et ça moins cher, c'est bien. Les couleurs, c'est vraiment ça, je sais pas comment je peux dire ça. Et Zouaka, pour naïo vraiment bien. Ma sœur, il faut seulement partir acheter, c'est bien. J'ai essayé de parler à lingala, j'ai essayé de parler en français. C'est un peu problématique. But with my eyes, I went in. This is my first time trying the Jasmine Brown eyelashes, y'all. Listen, this eyelashes, y'all. Jasmine Brown. You did your thing with that. I'll tell you that. But with the bronzer, okay, the bronzer was the best out of all of them. Okay, the bronzer was the best out of all of them. You could use this as a highlighter, okay? One thing about this bronzer that I'm going to say is it's a little bit on the reddish side, but it did the job, okay? With the blush, I'm going to also put that down below. This palette, by far, if I could rate this 1 out of 10, I would give it a freaking 8, okay? The lips was gorgeous, but I didn't like the lip eyeliner because I feel like the lip eyeliner. Tu es malade? Hein? Pourquoi tu parles comme ça? The lip liner was a little bit too light for me. I don't like that. So I went in with my NYX liner. You guys didn't see that right here. And I let that fill that in for me as a, lip liner. I like my lip liner to be darker than the actual lipstick. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, this is all it looked like. This is what I did. I hope you guys like this beat. And subscribe if you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.